Is this 2-in-1 convertible boneless sofa bed worth it? So I'm going to be honest with you. I'll just say it. Yes. However, I'm here to help you decide if it's worth it. I'm going to show you in a second. First thing I'll tell you, currently selling over 1,500 unit or around 1,500 units per month on Amazon. Very high for a sofa couch vibe. That's very high sales velocity and hundreds of 4.5 and 5-star reviews. Tons of people are buying this and tons of people are liking it after the purchase. That's the reason we thought it was worth it. Usually we just look to do what everyone else is doing. So that's the main reason I think you'll probably think this is worth it. On top of that, very comfortable. You have this really nice corduroy vibe. You have nice support here for the actual frame of the couch, but then you have it nice and padded with the pillows and the seating area. Just very comfortable, very plush feeling. It doesn't feel like you're sinking through to the floor. It feels nice and supportive. But here's what really sells it. Boom, it's a bed. So this is great for maybe just for having guests over, maybe for your kids, or maybe you just want to, like, instead of sitting on the couch and watching something, you want to lay and watch something. So super versatile, very soft. This even has like almost like a memory foam mattress kind of vibe, and you don't feel like you're hitting the ground. So it's a legit mattress vibe. So is this worth it? I think it's incredibly worth it, especially when you look at the number on the product page. But you make the decision for yourself.